OAWALKER here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the SIM card in the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. So if you just got the phone and you're thinking, how the heck do I put the SIM card in, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it. So you can see on the left hand side of the phone you have a little SIM card tray right there with a little hole, and that's where the pin goes in. So in order to find the pin, you have to go back to your box, open it up, and inside you're going to see a little booklet here that says designed by Apple in California. You're going to pull it up, and there is your SIM card removal tool. So you just take that out and put this back in, and put this away, and this is your SIM card removal tool. So what you're going to do is take this SIM card and put it in this hole right here. Let me zoom in a bit. So you just take this and you just poke it right in. You can use a bit of force, and then you're going to see it pop up slightly, just like that. Once it's popped up, you just take your fingers and just pull it up, and here is your SIM card tray. That's a tiny little tray, and what you're going to do is grab your SIM card. I got my little SIM card right here, and make sure it's the correct size, and it could only go in one way. As you can see, there's a little groove right at the top left hand corner. So you just put it up, face up like that. You clip it down, make sure it's nice and flush, and this hole is going to line up again with that hole. So you just put it in, make sure everything's lined up, and just push it down until it clicks. Once it clicks into place, I've got a password on my SIM card, so I'll just put that in really quickly. After I put it in, you should see the neck where it should appear. There you go. And what I'll do is I'll disable Wi-Fi, and we should have 5G. There we go. We've got 5G, 4 bars, and internet's ready to go. You're pretty much set up and ready to go. It's that simple to install the SIM card. Same thing if you want to remove the SIM card. Again, you just take this, put it in a hole, it pops out, remove the SIM card, and you could swap out SIM cards as well. So it's pretty handy to know. It's pretty easy, straightforward process. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Did it help you? And yeah, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. Peace.